Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So we will discuss some other previous year questions. Let's discuss 35th question here. In order to provide shelter for flood victims, a shed was constructed using tin sheets which is in the form of cuboid surmounted by a half cylinder as shown in the figure. So the shed is in the form of cuboid surmounted by a half cylinder. The length, breadth, height of cuboidal portions are 10 meters, 7 meters, 3 meters respectively. So length is given 10 meters, breadth is given 7 meters, and height is given as 3 meters. The diameter of the cylindrical portion is 7 meters. So this half cylinder diameter is given as 7 meters. Find the cost of tin sheets required to make the shed at the rate of 70 rupees per square meter. So the cost of tin sheet is 70 rupees per square meter of area. Given that the shed is open from the front side, so the shed is open from the front side and closed from the back side. So it is closed from the back side, this portion. So let us observe the shed carefully. Let us zoom it and observe it. First of all, we have to identify the shapes by which this shed is made. So first of all, the right side, if you see the right side, it is a rectangle. Here, observe here, L and H. This is H. So to find this one, we have to multiply L into H. Now, if you see the left side, it is also in the shape of rectangle. It is L, length is L, and breadth is H. So to find its area, we have to multiply L and H. Next, let's see the back side. It is also in the shape of this portion. This portion in the shape of rectangle, and its length is B. So this breadth, this one, and height is H. Now this portion, if you see this portion, it is semicircle whose diameter is equal to 7 meters. So 7 meters is the diameter for this one, and this portion is half cylinder. So to find the total area of the sheets, so we have to find how many areas. First, this right side sheet area, left side sheet area, and back side 3, and semicircle 4, and half cylinder 5. So sum of all these 5 areas is equal to total area of the shed. So let's find it. So what it is given, dimensions of cuboid. So it is given that L is 10 meters, length is 10 meters, so breadth is 7 meters, and height is 3 meters. Now dimensions of cylinder. So it is given that diameter is given as 7 meters. If diameter is 7, then radius will be half of it, 7 by 2 meters. And height is nothing but, the height of the cylinder is nothing but here. The height of the cylinder is nothing but length, right? The height of the cylinder is equals to length of cuboid. So which is equals to 10 meters. As I said, we have to find the 5 areas. So area of sheet, total area of tin sheets. So it is equals to 2 rectangular sheets That means left side, right side. So 2 times of length L, breadth is H. Next, back side rectangular sheet. Back side rectangular sheet length is B, breadth is H. Plus next semicircle area. Semicircle area is pi r square by 2 plus next curved surface area of half cylinder. So what is the full cylinder curved surface area? 2 pi r h. Now it is half cylinder, right? By 2. So let's apply the values. 2 into L is 10, H is 3, plus B into H. B is 7, H is 3, plus pi value 22 by 7, right? So 22 by 7 r square. What is r value? 7 by 2. So 7 by 2 into 7 by 2 pi r square by 2 plus 2 pi r. So here this 2 gets cancelled. Now we will have pi r h. So pi value 22 by 7, r value 7 by 2, h value is height of the cylinder. So height is nothing but 10. So let's try to cancel here. 7 7 cancel. 2 ones are 2 11s are. Here 7 7 cancel. 2 ones are 2 11s are. Now what will we have here? So this one 2 into 20 60 plus 7 3s are 21 plus. So what do we have? In the numerator place we will have 11 7. In the denominator place we have 2 2. So it is equals to 11 into 7 by 2 into 2 plus here we will have 11 and 10. So 11 into 10. So 60 plus 21 81. So 81 plus, now here it is 77 by 4 plus 11 into 10 110. Now let's divide 77 with 4. 4 ones are 4, remainder 3 37, 4 nines are 36. So you'll get 19.25. So 81 plus 19.25 plus 10. So now if you add all the numbers, 81, 19.25, and 10, 10. So this is 110, right? Sorry. So it is equals to 210.25 meters square. So this is the area, total area of the tin sheets. So now we have to find the cost. What is the rate? 70 rupees per square meter. So now it is equals to total cost of sheets. 70 rupees into total area. 210.25. Let's multiply 210.25 with 70. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Next. 7 5 is 35. 3 of 5 down. 14 plus 3, 17. Next one. 7, 14. 0, 5. 7, 1, 7. So it is equals to rupees 14717.50. 14,717.50 rupees. So this is the answer for this question. So next question is, in the adjoining figure, AC is the diameter of the larger circle. Here this AC is the diameter of the larger circle with center O. AB is the tangent to the smaller circle with the center O. So AB is the tangent to the smaller circle with the center O. If OD is R, if OD is equals to small r, then BC is equal to, so what is the value of BC? So here diameter of the big circle is given, larger circle is given, and tangent of smaller circle intersects the smaller circle at D, right? So now radius of smaller circle is also given, that is small r. Then we have to find the BC value. So one of the sides of the larger circle, let's find it. So let us zoom it here. Yes. So if you observe the figure, we know that angle made in a semicircle is 90 degrees. Means here AC is the diameter. The endpoints of AC are connected at B. That means angle at B is 90 degrees. So AC is the diameter of larger circle, and this AC is making angle at B, which is equals to 90 degrees. So angle in a semicircle is 90 degrees. Therefore angle at B is 90 degrees. And we also know that the angle between the tangent and radius is 90 degrees. Here AB is the tangent to the smaller circle and OD is the radius. So therefore angle at D is also 90 degrees. And also the perpendicular line drawn from the center and the chord bisect the chord. O is the center of the larger circle and AB is the chord of larger circle. So we know that the perpendicular line drawn from so OD is perpendicular to AB, right? So the perpendicular line drawn from the center and the chord bisects the chord. That means this AD part and BD part are equal. So what do we get here? Angle at B is 90 degrees and the perpendicular line OD is perpendicular to AB, and from that the perpendicular line drawn from the center and the chord bisects the chord. That means you will get AD is equals to BD. So that means AD is half of AB or BD is half of AB. So now if you observe this small triangles. What are the, oh sorry, triangles? What are the triangles? If you take the triangle ABC, if you compare this triangle ABC and triangle ADO, in triangle ABC, in triangle ABO, anglet D is equals to anglet D, both are 90 degrees. So anglet B is equals to anglet D because both are 90 degrees. Next, anglet A is common in both the triangles. Anglet A is equals to anglet A, so it is common in both the triangles. Therefore, angle similarity, both the triangles are similar. Therefore, we can say the big triangle ABC is similar to the small triangle ADO. So big triangle ABC, this one will be similar to triangle, big small triangle ADO by angle similarity. So anglet B is equals to anglet B, anglet D, both are 10 degrees. Anglet A is common. So both are similar by angular similarity. Now, when the triangles are similar, corresponding sides are proportional, right? So what are the corresponding sides? AB by, you can write AB by AD is equals to BC by DO equals to AC by AO. So if you apply the values here, what is AB value? So here we don't know the AB value. AD value also we don't know that. Now BC. So BC is what we need to find, and DO we know it, smaller. So here we don't require this one. Next, we know that this AB is double of AD. We can write in place of this AD, we can write double of AD. So 2 times of AD in place of AB. So 2 times of AD is AD by AD is equals to BC by R. Now here AD cancel. Now 2 is equals to BC by R. If we bring R left side, becomes 2 times of R is equals to BC. Otherwise we can say BC is equals to 2R. So which option is right here? So option C is right. Next question, 13th question. The distance of point P 1 comma minus 1 from x-axis. So what is the distance of this point from x-axis? We know that this one is x coordinate. X coordinate will tell us the distance from y-axis. That means this point is 1 unit from the y-axis. And minus 1 is the y coordinate, that will tell us the distance from x-axis. So it is 1 unit distance from x-axis below the x-axis. This minus indicates that it is below the x-axis. So therefore the distance of this point from x-axis is 1 unit below the x-axis, not minus 1 distance. It is, so distance will not be negative, right? So the point is 1 unit below the x-axis. So it is 1 unit distance from the x-axis. So now 34th question is, the following table shows the absentees record of 40 students in an academic year. So 2 to 6 days there are 11 students, 6 to 10 days 10 students, 14 to 10 to 14 7 students, 14 to 18 9 4 students, 18 to 22 4 students, 22 to 22 to 26 3, 26 to 31 students. So we have to find the mean and mode of the above data. So let's find the mean and mode of the above data. Let us take the table. So what it is given here, class intervals, frequencies, right? So to find the mean, we need class marks, average of lower limit and upper limit. Next, sum of product of frequencies and class marks. So what are the class intervals? 2 to 6, 6 to 10, 10 to 14, 14 to 18, 18 to 22, 22 to 26, 26 to 30. Right, frequencies. What are the frequencies? 11, 10, 7, 4, 4, 3, 1. What is the summation Fi? Sum of all the frequencies? 40, right? It is about 40 students. And now Xi values. The average of lower limit and upper limit. So here lower limit is, if you take the first one, first class interval, lower limit is 6, so 2, upper limit is 6, 2 plus 6, 8, 8 by 2, 4. And each class size is 4, so you can add 4, 4 plus 4, 8, 8 plus 4, 12, plus 4, 16, plus 4, 20, plus 4, 24, 28. Now product of Fi. So frequencies and class marks. Here 11 into 4, so 44. Similarly 10 into 8, 80. 7 into 12, so 84. Next 4 into 16, 16 to 32, 64. Now it is 80 here. Now it is 72 here. Now it is 28. Now this one is summation Fi. Sum of all the values in this column, Fi column. So what do we get if you add all the things? 44, 80, 84, 64, 80, 72, 28. 4 plus 4, 8, 12, 12 plus 2, 14, plus 4, 22. Next 2, 6, 14, 22, 28, plus 36, 43, 45. So it is equals to 452. Now let's apply the mean formula. So what is the mean formula? Mean x bar is equals to summation Fi by summation Fi. So summation Fi is 452 by summation Fi is 40. Let's divide. 452, 41 is 40, 5. Next 41 is 40, 12. We put 0.0, 40, 3 is, so it is equals to 11.3. So 11.3 is the median. Now we have to find the mode. So to find the mode, we have to identify a class whose frequency is modal class. A class with maximum frequency is the modal class. So this one is the model class. So now f1 is 11 and f2 is 10, and the class, what is the frequency before the model class, is 0. So there is no model class, there is no class before this one, that so therefore f1 is equals to 0, f0 is equals to 0. So here model class is 2 to 6. So lower boundary of the model class is 2. f0, the frequency of the class preceding the model class, 0. f1, frequency of the model class is 11. f2, frequency of the class succeeding the model class is 10, and height model class size is 4, right? So apply the mode formula. Mode is equals to L plus f1 minus f0 whole by 2f1 minus f0 minus f2 whole into h. So L plus 2 plus f1 minus f0, 11 minus 0, 2f1. 2f1 means 2 times of f1 is 22, minus f0 is 0, f2 is 10, into h is 4. So it is equals to 2 plus 11 minus 0, 11 by here 22 minus 10, 12 into 4. We can cancel 4 ones are 4 threes are. Now it is equals to 2 plus 11 by 3. What is 11 by 3? 3 3 is a 9. 6 is 18. 3.6. So it is equals to 2 plus 3.6. So 5.6. So this is the mode of the given data. Next, 31st question. This one. The perimeter of a rectangle is 70 centimeters. The length of the rectangle is given 5 centimeters. The length of the rectangle is 5 centimeters. Sorry, 5 centimeters more than the twice the breadth. Length is 5 centimeters more than the twice the breadth. Express the given situation as a system of linear equations in two variables and solve it. So let us try to solve it. Here what it is given, length is 5 centimeters more than the breadth, and the perimeter is given as 70 centimeters. So let length is equals to x, or uh, let the length be x and breadth be y. So perimeter is given. What is the perimeter? 2 of L plus B, and perimeter is given as 70. 70 is equals to 2 of L is x, B is y. So if you bring to left side, 70 by 2 is equals to x plus y. Otherwise, x plus y is equals to 35. So let this equation 1. Next, and length is 5 more than the breadth, right? So length is 5 centimeters more than twice the breadth. So what is the length? X. It is twice the breadth means 2y plus 5. 5 more than. So length is 5 more than the twice the breadth. Now it will be equals to, so if you bring 2y left side becomes x minus 2y is equals to 5. So let this equation 2. So subtract equation 2 from equation 1. Subtract equation 2 from equation 1. So what is equation 1? X plus y is equals to 35. Under that, write x minus 2y is equals to 5. So subtraction, right? Change the symbols of the second equation. So now this is plus x becomes minus x, minus 2y becomes plus 2y, and this becomes minus. Now add. So this x cancel. Now what do you have? Y plus 2y is 3y. 3y is equals to 35 minus 5, 30. Now 3 right side. Y is equals to 30 by 3. Now y is equals to 10. So to get x value, substitute in equation 1. So what is equation 1? X plus y is equals to 35. From equation 1, what is equation 1? X plus y is equals to 35. In this equation, in place of y, substitute 10 is equals to 35. Send 10 right side. X is equals to 35 minus 10. So x is equals to 25. So therefore the solution is 25 comma 10. X coordinate comma y coordinate 25 comma 10. So this is the solution. So next 33rd question. A bat manufacturing company made a huge bat for charity and got it signed by World Cup winning team. The dimensions of the bat, which is in the form of cuboid with the cylindrical handle at the top. So the bat is in the shape of cuboid with the cylindrical hand. So length of cuboidal part is given. Length is 2 meters, width is 0.5 meters, thickness is 0.1 meters, diameter of cylindrical part is 0.1 meter, height of cylindrical part is 0.7 meters. So first question, find the volume of wood used in the bat. Means we have to add the volume of cylindrical part and cuboidal part. Also find the total surface area of the wooden bat. So we have to add the total surface area of cylindrical part and surface area of wooden bat. Sorry, the hand. Okay, right. So anyhow, let's first of all let's find the value. So what are the dimensions of cuboidal part? So dimensions of cuboidal part. So length is given as 2 meters. Width is nothing but breadth. B is given as 0.5 meters. Thickness or height is equals to 0.1 meters. And dimensions of cylindrical part. Dimensions of cylindrical part. Diameter is given as 0.1 meter. If diameter is 0.1 meter, now radius will be 0.1 by 2 meters. Next, height of cylindrical part. Let it be h1. Already we have used h for height of the cuboidal part. So h1 is equals to 0.7 meters. So first of all, we have to find the volume of wood. Volume of wood used. Volume of wood used is equals to volume of cylinder. Cubital first. Volume of cubite is length into breadth into height. Volume of cylindrical part is pi r square h. Pi r square h, here h1, h is h1. So now L value is how much? L is 2 and B is 0.5, H is 0.1 plus pi value. It is it given here? Nothing. If it is not given, we have to take pi value 22 by 7. So 22 by 7 r square. What is the radius? 0.1. So 0.1 by 2, 0.1 by 2 into h1, 0.7. So okay, let's multiply the numbers here. 2 into 0.5 into, first of all, let's multiply 0.5 into 0.1 is equals to 2 into 0.05 plus 22 by 7 into this 0.1 by 2 in p by q form. It can be written as 1 by 20. So 0.1 can be written as 1 by 10, but we have 2 in the denominator place. So 10 into 2, 20. So it is equals to 1 by 20. Now here also 1 by 20. Now 0.7 can be written as 7 by 10. So here 7 7 cancel. Next 2 tens are 2 11s are here. Next here 2 into 0.5 is equals to 0.5 into 2. So 0.1. 0.1 into, sorry, 0.1 plus here 11 in the numerator place, 11 by, in the denominator place we have 10, 20, 10. How much it is? It will be 2000. So let's divide this 11 with 2000. If you put 0.0, so if you write one more 0 here, still it is 1100 only. One more 0, it is 11,000. So 2005 times 10,000. Now we'll have 1000 here. Automatically one more 0, so 5. So it will be equals to 0.1 plus 0.0055. So now this will be equals to 0.1055 meter cube. So this much of volume of wood is used. Next we have to find the total surface area of the bat. So total surface area of bat. So total surface area of bat will be equals to curved surface area of, otherwise total surface area of cylindrical part, that is equals to 2 of LB plus BH plus HL, and one side of handle is attached to the cylinder, so therefore only one side will be exposed. So therefore curved surface area of cylinder 2 pi r h, h1 here, and top is like a circle, right? So it is a pi r square. Now let's apply all the values here. So 2 of LB, 2 into 0.5, BH 0.5 into 0.1, HL, H is 0.1, L is 2. Next here, plus 2 pi RH, 2 into pi value 22 by 7, radius, radius is already I told 1 by 20, H, H1 is 0.1, sorry, 0.7, plus pi r square. What is a pi r square? 22 by 7, r square, radius 1 by 20 into 1 by 20. So let's solve it. 2 of 0.2 into 0.5 is 1, plus 0.5 into 0.1, it is 0.05. Next 0.1 into 2, it is 0.2, plus, now here we can cancel 2 tens are 2, 2 ones are. Now we will have 22 by 7 into 1 by 10 into this 0.7 can be written as 7 by 10, plus here 2 tens are 2 elevens are. Now it can be written as 11 by 7 into 10 into 20. Now if you add the numbers inside the here, what do we get? We will get 2 into 1.25 plus here 7 7 gets cancelled. Now we'll have 22 by 100, 10 into 10, 100, plus here we'll have 11 by 7 into 10 into 2. So 200 into 7, 1400. So it is equals to 1, 2 into 1.25, it is 2.5, plus 22 by 100, 0.22, plus let's divide 11 with 1400. If you put point 0 point, you'll get one more 0, 0. So it is 1100. 0.000. You will get one more 0. 1400 7 times 9800. So it is almost equals to 0.007. So let's add all the numbers here. What are the numbers? 2.5. Now it is 0.22 and it is 0.007. 727.2. So it is equals to 2.727 meters square. So this is the total surface area of the bat.